Once you've become a Brighte accredited vendor or you are added to your business Brighte profile, you'll be notified via email and asked to activate your Brighte portal by setting up your login details. This includes your email address and a unique password which can be used to log into your Brighte vendor app. If you have not yet received your login details, let us know by reaching out to your dedicated account manager or our team on 1300 Brighte, and we'll get you up and running. To log into Brighte's vendor portal, simply click Login from Brighte's website or visit portal.brighte.com.au. If you're already set up on Brighte's platform but can't remember your details, simply reset your password and select Forgotten Password. Enter in your email address and follow the prompts to access your Brighte account. Once you've logged into the Brighte portal, be sure to download the Brighte vendor app on Google Play or the Apple App Store to manage and track your deals on the go or with your customer by your side. For more information on Brighte's portal or app, visit our website brighte.com.au/partners or give us a call on 1300 274 448. 1300 Brighte with an E. You can also drop us a line by emailing customer support@brighte.com.au.